Phonics Academia online class grade 5 subjects math, in which we have to do unit number 1 whole number and its operation. Today we have to discuss exercise 1.3, in which we have to do question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1, based on your filling in the blank. Question number 2, select the state the whether are true and false, and question number 3, choose the correct option. So all the students open your book page number 16 and also pick your pencils. So let's start question number 1, filling in the blank. They say that 20,856 multiplied by dash is equal to 20,800,056,000. So students, you see that it's a 5-digit value. It's a 5-digit value or it's a 8-digit value. So when you have subtract 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 digits. So 3-digit number is 1000. When you have multiplied by 1000, the value is equal to the 20,856,000. Then dash multiplied by 100 is equal to 3,800,069,500. So student, you see that it's a 100. So 0 cut by 0. So which value should be saved? 38,695. Then they say that 45,200 multiplied by 20. When you have multiplied by this number by 20, so you know that the values make a 900,000 4,000. Okay, you have to multiply this both value. The answer is equal to 4,000. If 52,695 is divided by 5, then the 10 is the remainder of. So student, you know that the last digit is a 5. So student, when you have come on the table of 9, 9 nines are 90. So when you have subtract that, so the remainder is 5. So its remainder is 5. When you have divide 52,695 divided by 10 is equal to the remainder is equal to 5. Then they say that 58,800 divided by 100. So 20 cut by 20. The value is come 588. So question number 2, true and false. They say that 13,985 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So students, you know that when the value is multiplied by 0, the answer always equal to the 0. So this is that equal to 0. This statement is a true. Then they say that 71,432 multiplied by 50. They say that the value is equal to 85,500,71,600. But students, this is wrong, because that when you have multiply this value, the value is equal to the 35,700,71,600. So students, when you have multiply this answer should be wrong. So this statement is a false. 17,000 divided by 1000. Students, 30 cut by 30. So values to be made 70. 6,000 divided by 6 minus 33,000. 333 multiplied by 3. So student, you know that when you have divided 6 on 6,000, the value is equal to 600. So and this is multiplied by 333, so its value is equal to 999. So when you have subtract that, the value is not equal to 0. So this statement is to be a false. Then they are divide two numbers, always leave a reminder. So student, like that you have a 5, it's a 2 number. Have you divided by 2, it's a 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 2 5s are 10. The remainder is not be left. They say that when you have divided two numbers, they are always give a remainder. But it's a false, because that some numbers have to completely divide. For example, 20, 15, 3 on the table of 3. So students, they are should be a false, because that's sometimes they give a reminder. But in a mostly time they are not give a reminder. Or they say that they are always leave a reminder. So this statement is to be a false. Next question number 3, select the correct answer from the given option. MCQ number 8, 10,000 divided by 100 is equal to 10,000, 1 million 100. So students, the correct option is option D, 100. Then the smallest 5-digit number multiplied by 10 given. So student, you know that the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, because that when you have less to be a 10,000, the value is 9,999. But when you have a come on the 10,000, this is the smallest 5-digit number. So when you have multiply by 5 by multiply by 10, 10,000 multiply by 10, the value is equal to 100,000. The option is given to 100,000, million, thousand, 10 million. So the answer is equal to the 100,000, because that 5-digit number is to be a multiply. When the smallest 5-digit number is to be a multiply by 10. Like that, 10,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to the 100,000. So the correct option is the option A. Then MCQ number C, which of the following is the incorrect statement? So students, you know that 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 100 is the correct statement. 800 divided by 8 is equal to 100 is the correct statement. 500 divided by 2 is equal, multiplied by 2 is equal to 1000 is the correct statement. Then last statement is make even 102 divided by 2 is equal to 15. It means that this statement is a false, incorrect statement, because that if you have divided by 102 divided by 2, the answer is equal to 51. So this statement is to be incorrect. Option D, they have said that 5,694 divided by 38. So their option is 428, 438, 448, 408. So student, when you have divided this number on the table of 13, the correct option is 428. Last MCQ is to be given 69,825 multiplied by 24 is equal to, the value is equal to the 1,060,000.